Online voice control. Online voice control is an extension of a standard voice control, which is mainly used to find destinations in navigation or for dictating text messages once you have your phone paired with the infotainment via Bluetooth. Improved speech analysis provides more accurate results so you can easily find specific POIs around you or en route. Here's an example what online voice control is capable of. Once your phone is paired via Bluetooth, press Telephone in the menu screen. Then press Messages. Select New Text Message and press the voice control icon on the right above the keyboard. You will be asked to dictate the text message clearly and precisely. When finishing dictating, select your contact you want to send the message to, and then press the Send button to send the message. Please note that this is only possible for Android phones. You can also use a native speech in order to search for a specific POI. In order to activate the voice control, you can say, "Okay, Laura." Then you will be asked what you would like to do. You can say, "I am hungry," and it will find restaurants nearby. Then you can start navigation to the desired restaurant. You can also say, for example, "Find me a Mexican restaurant in Prague." Shortly, you will be provided with a list of Mexican restaurants in the desired destination.